Good day guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to connect Lovable to SupaBase. So in order to do this you can either open up your first project like this and from here go here and open up the settings, or you can just do it from the home page right over here, and yeah, just make sure that you're in the settings. So go there, and as you can see we have integrations, and under it we have SupaBase. Sorry, I closed it. We have SupaBase here. Click on this tab. And as you can see, you can connect SupaBase. So press on connect. Of course, make sure that you have an account. Now accept and authorize the Lovable with SupaBase. All right, it's now going to connect. Okay, as you can see, your SupaBase organization has been linked. So in SupaBase itself, just make sure that you have at least one organization, but you should have one once you sign up, so all good. And after that, you're connected. If we go back to the settings, SupaBase, as you can see, now our connected organization is right over here. So enjoy guys, as you can see, pretty simple. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.